Putco's Black Platinum Pillar Posts are a quick and easy appearance mod that'll change up the side look of your 2004 to 14 SuperCrew with 4 stealthy gloss black pillar post trim pieces that include the licensed F150 logo from Ford. The logo will match all other emblems on your truck, and it's etched into 2 of the pieces for an OEM look. It contrasts the black coated stainless steel well, and with a peel and stick application, I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take less than 30 minutes to get on. Unlike most trim pieces, these are made from stainless steel and not plastic. They're going to hold up well to all weather conditions as well as extreme temperatures without rusting, fading, or falling off. 3M automotive adhesive is pre-applied to each piece and is designed to keep its strong bond for years to come. The 304 stainless they're made from is naturally resistant to rust and corrosion, and it's coated in the black platinum gloss for additional protection and a great look. This is a great alternative to chrome pillars. Because we are utilizing automotive bonding tape, there will be no drilling or permanent modification required, which is great if you ever need to or want to remove these later down the line. Just north of $130 is a great price for stainless steel trim pieces that are going to enhance the look of your truck on a section you see every day. With the quality of the materials involved, this is a good investment that'll last the life of your truck. If you wanted to go with a non-coated stainless version, Putco offers it for just a few bucks more. Switching over to the install, this is a peel and stick application that I'll be giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take less than 30 minutes to put on. The only tools you'll need is some soap and water or alcohol to clean the surface area. After cleaning the area you're going to adhere the pillar post, you're going to align the post for fitment. Start to peel off a section of the 3M adhesive tape. Once aligned properly, again press the exposed adhesive onto the vehicle while maintaining alignment. Now slowly pull the remaining red protective film downward until removed. Press the panel firmly onto the vehicle for at least 30 seconds until proper adhesion. Now repeat these same steps for the other pillar post. After all 4 are on, remove the protective white film to expose the finished metal. That wraps up my review on Putco's Black Platinum Pillar Posts. Check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.